Before you get separated with your hand-earned money, trading meme coins and getting rug pull or buying the next scam coin, this video is for you. You must have been seeing a lot of people sharing screenshots of how they were able to turn $1 into $100 or $5 into one or $10,000 and the likes. Let me bust your bubble. This is only happened to few individuals who have inside information about the token. Many have lost fortunes to meme coins trading. In this video, I will be taking you through the first fundamentals you need to know before you start trading, reading the chart or copying that contract address. Kindly like, share and click on the bell notification so that you could get notified anytime we drop another video. So let's go back to the main video of this particular video. There are more I should have covered in this video, but I won't want this video to be too long. If the video was really helpful, please kindly watch till the end and also drop your comment in the comment box. One thing I want you to know that before trading Solana, in this particular video I'll be talking about Solana Meme Coin. There are a lot of things you need to know. One thing is that there are some certain tools you need to know, and there's a certain website you will need to also visit, which I'll be sharing in this video, which is the fundamental of those things that you need to know. The first thing is that when you have your phone, you have your data on. The first thing is that you need to come to the website called Dexscreener.com. I'll be dropping the link to this particular website in the comment. And the other thing is that in this video we'll be trading just Solana memes. So before copying that chart, copying the contract address and just go straight to trading, which a lot of people have gotten their hands burnt. When you come to that particular screener, the first thing you have to come here is to click on this explore, because there are a lot of chains which you can use when you are trading your meme coin. The first thing is that you have to come to this explore. You can see that we have a lot of tokens here. You can see Junior, you can see Trump cards, Alien and the like. When you tap on this, then you have to tap on Solana. That means we will be trading just Solana. If I click on that particular exploit the other time, you can see a lot of blockchains. You can see base. If you want to trade base, if you want to trade BNB, if you want to trade meme coin on Su, on XRP, on Tom blockchain, and the rest, Avalanche and the rest like that. But the most popular one that have been doing crazy amount of money for people is on Solana chain. And mind you is that a lot of people have also been getting bonds, and you know trading means is a very high risk investment but also has an high return of investment. So when you look at the DEX which you can trade your main, I'll be sharing with you the best that you can use. Here we have all DEX. You can buy Solana memes on Raydium, Meta, Oral. If I scroll it back, you will see a lot of them. You could see Orca, Pump Down Fund, you could see Flux Bean, and a lot of them, but this is not all. Another one you can use, which is the best that I do recommend and is very fast when trading Solana Meme, is to use your Telegram bot. Telegram bot are fast as this app, but I'll be dropping some bots that are fast and quick in taking your transaction through Telegram. Later on, maybe in my next coming video, if you need it, I'll kindly drop the best Telegram bot that you can use. But in this video, kindly drop part 2 so that I can prepare for more in depth about this particular video. So all that being done, because most people, when you want to trade with Jupiter or Raydium using your Phantom wallet, most of the time the transaction never goes through. So for you to avoid that, and you know, like what I say, the Solana Meme trading them is a high risk investment. So before you could take your transaction, before it is there, what you saw at around 50,000 market cap might have even rise to 1 million or 500,000, because it goes up as like the speed of light, and it always come down also. So you need to go in quick and also get out very fast, so that you will not be used as exit liquidity. So you could see here also, these are what you just need to know. This is the trading volume of all meme, which is 12.24 billion. This is the one for the tax, which is around 26 million plus. This is number of blocks. So that being said, so also these are some other things you need to know. All these coins that you are seeing here are the coins that are traded in the last 24 hours. In the last 24 hours that are doing really well. But mind you that they are really doing well and being traded in the last 24 hours doesn't mean you just need to jump into them, because some of these are just new coins, and when you just jump into them, before you could say jack, it's been rough pull upon you. So let's see, scan to look at the Dexscreener interface very well. So you could see here we have top. If you want to check the top, and this one we have the gainers. Let me click on the top. You see the top trading coins. You could see we have Solana, Trump coin, Trump, Stargaze, and the likes like that. Those ones are the top. So when I come to the next one, gainers, those that are having the top gainers, you see Mini Donor, J, Email, Stargale, Bull, they are the top gainers currently. And when you want to check, maybe you want to trade new Solana memes that are just created, when you tap on new PS, you're able to see the new created tokens that are just created, maybe within few hours or within the few weeks. We could see Junior, Trump Cat, Stargate, Dodge, you could see another Dodge, OTG, and the likes like that. So you could see a lot of them. You can just navigate to see a lot of things. And also one thing you could just know that is very powerful is the power of this particular filter. If you want to use filter, you can just come tap on the filter. Let's click on, we are not checking all DEX, let's have it as all DEX, both on Raydium, let's have it as all DEX. Let's leave the aspect of liquidity. Let's just go to the market cap. Let's say we need a coin from around 1 million market cap, 1 million market cap to 10 million, because these ones can easily skyrocket. Because if you are looking at around 500,000 market cap or 200 or 50,000, is most of those meme coins doesn't actually survive. They always easily get rug pull. And maybe the one that are around 1 million to 10 million, let's click on apply. Well, not that they cannot also get rug pull from one cashing out, but the chances are still high, but not as high as when there are not much liquidity or market cap. So we can see now about, these are all the meme coin that are within the range of the market cap of 1 million to 10 million. That is just the power of the filter. I'm just showing you of the power of that particular filters. Let's go back. So when you look at this place, you see these are the tokens, that is their name. And when you look at the year, these are the price. And when you look at the year, these are the age. That means the time in which they are created. So this one is created 15 hours ago, 20 hours ago, 13 hours ago, and the likes like that. So here is the trading volume. Here is the trading volume. Here are the makers. So you could just swipe to look. And another thing you need to check that is very important is the liquidity. You need to check the liquidity, because there are a lot of coins that after you buy them, maybe the coin skyrocket, and when you want to sell, there's no liquidity. You just become stranded because you have bought a scam coin. So, and I also have to check the market cap of those particular tokens. You could see that here, you could see that the market cap within the range of 1 million to 10 million, you could see, because that was what I put at the filter face there. So all these things you need to just know it and just check it, because I've seen a lot of people, maybe because they are on the Telegram group and a contract address was just dropped that they should buy this token, and they bought in, and the last thing they could know is that the coin got repulled, or maybe a single person, which is the dev, just sold his or her coin, and before you know, he just took out the liquidity out of the market, and that particular meme coin just died just like that. So you just need to get familiarized with the interface of the Dexscreener. This is what I just want to show you in this particular video. But before picking or trading any meme coin, there are still a lot of things you still need to put in place, because I don't want this video to be too long. So I will just be stopping here. Just kindly comment part 2 and I will be showing you how to trade meme coin like a pro. If this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so that you could get notified anytime I drop another powerful video. Thank you and God bless. Please kindly share to your friends and everyone.